Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson hairdryer. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson hairdryer is not blowing hot air, it can be quite frustrating, especially when you rely on it for styling your hair. This issue usually arises due to a malfunctioning heating element or a blockage in the airflow system. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further damage, resulting in more expensive repairs down the line. To fix this issue, you will need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a pair of tweezers, a soft cloth, and possibly a replacement heating element if necessary. First, ensure your hairdryer is unplugged. To open the device safely, locate the screws around the handle and the rear casing. Using the appropriate screwdriver, gently remove these screws, placing them in a safe location. Once the screws are out, carefully pull apart the casing, taking care not to force it, as this could damage the clips holding it together. When the casing is removed, you should be able to see the internal components. The heating element is typically located near the back of the device. Inspect it closely for any signs of damage or blockage. If you find that it's faulty, gently disconnect the cables attached to it, making note of where they connect. If you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After disconnecting the old heating element, replace it with the new one, ensuring the cables are securely attached in the same configuration as before. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage nearby components. Once the new heating element is in place, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the inside of the hairdryer with a soft cloth. Now, carefully reassemble the casing, aligning it properly and replacing the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything fits snugly before tightening the screws fully. Finally, plug in your hairdryer and test it to ensure it's blowing hot air once again. If all is well, you've successfully repaired your Dyson hairdryer. To prevent this issue from occurring again in the future, regularly clean the filter and ensure there's no hair or debris blocking the airflow. Avoid using the hairdryer at maximum heat for extended periods, as this can strain the heating element. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.